Well, I said I was going to buy some inner fender walls for my Jeep just because I didn't like what it looked like after the Aries fenders, and I cut my plastic fender liners and they look like garbage. I mean, they work okay because I actually fasten them pretty good, but it just does not look pretty with that much room. So here we go. I'm going to install these today. These are the Poison Spyder inner aluminum, bare aluminum liners, fender liners. Alright, so this is what they look like out of the box. That box is massive. It's just shipped these, but I guess they don't want them bent, which is a good idea. Yeah, they're pretty sweet. Although this guy has like, you can see on camera, there's like tons of like marks on it. Looks like there was like tape across it from here to here or something, so hope that I can kind of clean them, maybe have them come off, because I wasn't going to paint them. I kind of like that whole like raw aluminum look. This one's not too bad. A couple handprints and stuff, that's cool, I don't mind that. There's a hardware bag on it. This one's not too bad at all, but this guy is like, yeah, you see, it looks like someone had like beer bottles or something on it, or some sort of imprints. Anyways, I'm going to put these bad boys on, see what it looks like on the Jeep.